So hello and welcome again. In this tutorial I'm going to help you or show you how to use tiles on Unity. They are basically useful in everything you do on 2D worlds. So I'm going to go to show you how. Go to the hierarchy, select 2D objects, go to tile map and select rectangular. You can select anything you want, but rectangular what we want to use or what we do use all the time. So we're going to open the palette editor, select or create a new palette, call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it palette tiles, just a random name, or tile map, call it whatever you want. Create a new folder here, call it whatever you want, palette or tile map, it's better name, tile map, and click on it, select folder, and you can now just drag and drop all your tiles into the tile map or tile palette. Let's change the pixel per unit to 128 and apply it, and like this our palette are going to fit now into the right position on the screen. So like this, it is very easy, but at the beginning you will not get it that fast. So these are basically how the palette works. You can explore them as much as you want. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something new. Let me know in the comment what you wanna learn or see on the next video.